To get accurate measurements for a long-span rib-type roofing, consider the following steps. Overall dimensions. 1. Measure the length and width of the building or structure to determine the roof's footprint. 2. Note any obstructions, such as columns, beams, or vents. Roof pitch and profile. 1. Determine the roof's pitch, which is the ratio of the roof's rise to its run. 2. Identify the roof's profile, including the type and depth of the ribs. Rafter and purlin. Spacing. 1. Determine the spacing of the rafters and purlins, typically 4 to 6 feet apart. 2. Measure the length and thickness of the rafters and purlins. Rib spacing and depth. 1. Measure the spacing and depth of the ribs, which can vary depending on the manufacturer. 2. Note the type of rib material and its thickness. End wall and side wall conditions. 1. Measure the height and width of the end walls and side walls. 2. Note any openings, such as doors or windows, overhang and eave details. 1. Measure the length and width of the overhang. 2. Note the type of eave material and its thickness. Calculation and verification. 1. Use specialized software or consult with a professional to calculate the required materials and ensure accuracy. 2. Verify the measurements with the building plans or blueprints to ensure compliance with local building codes. Some important formulas to keep in mind. Rafter length equals the square root of rise squared plus run squared. Purlin spacing equals span divided by 2 plus load divided by 2 times purlin thickness. Rib spacing equals span divided by 2 plus load divided by 2 times rib thickness. Remember to always follow safety guidelines and building codes when measuring and constructing a long-span rib-type roofing system. God bless you, and to God be the glory.